forcing him to say I'm beautiful in Tagalog,
Hi, Henry.
while
Why
my
you're so
hater was
quiet?
there.
Henry's being the myling again.
Yeah, the miling. We have
We
the
delete the
miling.
picture.
I have
Delete picture.
No,
Delete.
delete picture.
I have
Delete.
nothing to say.
Wow, you have nothing to say. You can say Aikura is
Uh,
maganda.
don't,
Henry,
it's a bad word. It's a
Henry,
bad
repeat
word.
after me.
No, no,
No,
no,
it's not a
no,
bad
never,
word.
never say that word
It's
again.
not a bad
In
word.
your
Stop.
entire life.
Eman,
Okay,
stop.
that's a bad word. That's
Teach
very
you
bad.
a...
It will take you to hell.
Wow!
Oh my gosh.
That's too much. What you mean taking to hell?
Never say that word again. Okay?
Go to
Trust
bed,
me.
Eman. Go to bed.
Trust me. Trust me.
Henry?
I'm a Filipino myself.
I definitely don't say that.
You're crazy. You're Filipino. Aikura is... I hate you, Eman.
Is
Aikura is...
Bro, I'm telling you.
Aikura
I
is
cries.
maganda.
I cannot lie
Maganda.
to my friends.
Say it.
It's
Maganda.
a very...
Aikura is maganda.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my
Everyone heard
You
that.
said it.
That's...
You said it. You need to apologize to God itself.
Uy! Uy!
Face to face.
Uy, that's too much. Don't.
No, I'm joking.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah, yeah,
joking.
yeah,
know,
yeah,
I just translated. I translated just now.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
See, it's
What's
a
the
bad
meaning
word,
of...
bro.
It's not a bad word.
It's so bad.
Sisi.
It could take you to hell.
Hoy!
Oh my gosh.
The big lie.
Ugali mo.
You
You're
need
so
a pastor
bad.
right now.
Hoy!
You need a pastor right now. You need to be blessed. You
Hoy!
need to be...
That's too much, Eman. You translated it, right? Okay.
What does it say?
Yeah.
Tara na,
Beautiful.
tara na.
Oh, am I?
See?
Am I?
Oh my gosh, it's so cursed.
Am I, Henry?
It's so cursed.
Henry, are you
Yes.
gonna answer or I'm
Yes.
going to kick you?
Oh.
Henry?
What happened to Aikura?
I said yes.
Henry, did you see
Thank
Aikura
you
in
so
real
much,
life?
Henry.
I said yes.
Yeah, that's why I said thank you.
What do you mean? Is my
Minautulan
mic
naman
that
siyang
bad?
banyaga. Minautulan naman siyang taga ibang bansa.
Well,
Am I really that bad? Oh my goodness.
no, you're not bad. You're a nice guy. You're amazing one.
You're a nice guy.